Hi guys, welcome to Travel with Austin. I'm Austin. Today I'm going to be doing a tour of a hotel room in the Hotel Henry Buffalo. Now this is a double bedroom, as you can see. Now if you don't already know, this hotel is an old Kirkbride Asylum that was partially renovated and now it's a hotel. There's also a restaurant here, and they're going to continue renovating it over the years. So me and my friend Quinn just stayed here last night. So I'm going to do a quick tour of the room real quick before we have to check out. So when you first enter the room, you almost instantly have the beds because they believe in a bed-centric design here, which means as soon as you enter the room, there's the beds, everything in the room is around the beds. Got this chair over here, and there's a bunch of lamps in here. As you can see, there's ones over each bed, there's one over here, and there's one in the room over here. Now because this is in Kirkbride Asylum, the windows here are actually big enough that during the day you have more than enough light. As you can see, we are only lighting it from the windows right now. Now you do have the light switches, but also you actually have this, and if you press it, the blinds come down. So that was pretty neat. I've never seen that before in a hotel. Now the double room has a flat screen TV in it. Sadly, because of the placement of the windows in the Kirkbride, it's really only in front of one bed and not the other. Over here you have a nice little desk and stuff. And the cool thing about this is on the sides, there are outlets that you can charge your phone and stuff on. Now, there's also this in the room, and really all it does is hold blankets in it. So I guess that's cool if you would need them. It's also on hydraulics, so it is a bit stiff to open and close. Now off of the main bedroom, you do have a desk, a chair. The coat racks here are really weirdly designed, so that's one of them. Now you have a coffee machine down here, some glasses, and an ice bucket. But there's actually no fridge in this room, which is probably the biggest disappointment for me. Because as you saw, I had a soda pop and I wanted to keep it cold, so I had to shove it in a bucket of ice all night. Now, also this room has its own thing for the shades in here. Now, if we go into the bathroom, we have a mirror with an H in it that is kind of the Hotel Henry logo, the way the H is. Of course, we have a toilet. We have the sink and the mirror. And we actually have a tub and shower, which is really nice. So you could take a bath if you wanted to, although you'd have to bring your own drain plug, it looks like. Or, actually, it looks like it's actually attached underneath that you'd have to close it. Didn't try that out. We were kind of in a rush because we have 5 minutes till we have to check out. Now the one weird thing is, so these little bottles over here are your shampoo or your body wash and stuff, but they don't provide shampoo. They provide body wash and body lotion. So that's really all I think I need to show of this place. Also, each room has art in it. I guess I should mention that. I do believe all the art is from local artists, but I'm not sure. And also, our hotel had this nice corkboard of a tower in it, which I really liked. Anyway, so this is just a hotel room tour of a double in the Hotel Henry Buffalo. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. And I'm also going to be making a video reviewing the hotel as a whole when I get home. And if you're more interested in the historical stuff, I did an inside tour and an outside tour of this place. So definitely give those a watch. Anyway, thank you guys for watching.